Let's talk about two more problem prepositions, with and from, specifically with the verb differ. Differ with, differ from. What's the difference and how do we use them? Stay tuned and find out. Okay, differ from versus differ with. Let's get started. But first, stay tuned until the end of the video because I have a quick quiz for you to try. All right? Okay. It is common for English learners and even some native English speakers to use prepositions incorrectly. What is the difference between the verbs plus prepositions differ from and differ with? How do you know whether to use from or with? Well, let's talk about it. Don't say, the iPhone 12 differs with the iPhone 10 in several remarkable ways. Say instead, the iPhone 12 differs from the iPhone 10 in several remarkable ways. Maybe the camera is better, the screen is better, the microphone is better. There are many differences between the two iPhones. So, why is using from better or correct? Well, differ from means to be unlike, to be different. As in, one thing is not like the other thing. The iPhone 12 is not like the iPhone 10. They are different. Such as a red car differing from a blue car, right? In color. They are different in color. Or an iPhone 12 differing from an iPhone 10. Here we can see iPhone 12 differs from the iPhone 10. Different is an adjective. Differ is a verb. Okay? Hi guys, just a short interruption. Please take a second and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Okay, thanks so much. Back to the video. So, differ from means the same as be different from. So, differ is the verb, be is the verb. So, be plus adjective. So here, I can say the iPhone 12 is different from the iPhone 10 in several remarkable ways. Or I can say the iPhone 12 differs from the iPhone 10. Understand? And remember that different is an adjective. Differ is a verb. Okay, don't say the Republicans and the Democrats differ from each other on many policies. Say instead, the Republicans and the Democrats differ with each other on many policies. Why? Well, differ with means to disagree with someone or something, such as having a different opinion, right? Or having a different point of view. In this case, policies, such as person A differing with person B about what to have for dinner. Person A wants spaghetti, person B wants tacos, okay? Their points of view on what to have for dinner are different. They differ, okay? And this means person A and person B disagree about what to have for dinner. So say instead, the Republicans and the Democrats differ with each other on many policies. So they disagree about political policy, political ideas, political rules, laws, that kind of thing. And differ from and differ with both take an object. So in this example, the iPhone 10 is the object of differ from. In this example, each other is the object of differ with. I cannot take away each other. So if I take away each other, the Republicans and the Democrats differ with on many policies. Well, now I have two prepositions together, with and on. And this is strange. It doesn't make sense. However, I can delete some words and each other and change the object. So remember, I take away, I delete each other, and now I have the Republicans differ with the Democrats on many policies, and the object becomes the Democrats. So both are correct. The Republicans and the Democrats differ with each other on many policies. The Republicans differ with the Democrats on many policies. Both are correct. Okay, I will give 5 examples. You tell me if you think differ with or differ from is correct or incorrect. Write your answers in the comments section below and your ideas for future videos. Okay, are you ready? Number 1, correct or incorrect. You can differ with me if you want to, but you don't have to be angry about it. What do you think? Is it correct or incorrect? Are we different or do we disagree about something? Number 2, parents can easily tell how their children's personalities differ from each other. Correct or incorrect? Again, think, are they different? Are they not like each other, not the same? or do they disagree about something? Okay, number 3. I have always differed from my best friend about who is the best superhero, Batman or Superman. Obviously, Batman. But what do you think? Is it correct or incorrect? Okay, number 4. The outgoing nature of the new restaurant manager differs drastically with the shy disposition of the previous one, the previous manager. Again, is this sentence about disagreement, or is this about the two managers being different from each other? What do you think? Correct or incorrect? And the last one, number 5, the debate showed how much the two sides differed from each other on several key points. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel. It really helps my small channel grow. My name is Liam. This is Grammar Simple, the channel that makes English grammar and prepositions simple. I will see you in a future video. Bye for now.